Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the topic that how can students learn and earn together or at the same time. This is the topic of discussions right now. I want to say that this topic is a very important topic right now because every students wants to learn and earn at the same time. Okay, so for this reason this discussion is going to be very important discussions. So before discussing this topic, I like to say that if you are new to this channel or if you do not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel, and let's start our discussion. Our discussion topic is how can students learn and earn at the same time. This is very important point, that if student can earn at the same time of learning, and that time learn with earning, student also can get some experience, gather some experience, and that will give the better opportunity for the students in the future. Because of this part-time jobs, student can also learn and earn both. Means after learning they are doing this part-time job, and after doing this part-time job they also can earn, they also can learn and earn both together. Okay, if students when learning or in pursuing a degrees or diplomas, like a bachelor degree or master degree, that time he is learning something, and this learning he or she can share this learning or share this experience, or can work with the learning that he or she taught in the degrees or diplomas to the other. So for this reason a student can share his learning things, or knowledges to the other places or to other where the knowledges are required, and in this way student can do the earning. Student can start earning at the same time of learning. Okay, and earning in the earning time, when students students are tried to earning from this field, that time they also can means earn and learn together. Means when they are in the field of earning, that time they are making learning also at the same time. Because when students are in the earning time, they are doing some jobs, doing some work, at the same time they are learning. So earning and learning, these are just related to each other, and for this reason I am making a list of some field where the students can start the learning and earning both together, and both are inversely proportional. Means directly proportional, that you can work somewhere and can learn something, and another thing is you learn something and at that time you can use this learning to earn something. So there are two proportional things: learning then earning, and earning then learning. Both are you can do both, can be possible. Means you are earning something, at that time you are learning, and if you are learning something, that time you can also earn. So these two things, mean learning and earning, are not a separate thing. Earning is in the part of your learning. Okay, earning is in the part of your learning, and means learning is in the part of your earning. So this is very important to understand in today's world, because it is possible for everybody to learn and earn at the same time. We do not need to look separately the learning and earning. These two things are very common thing, and with these two things can do simultaneously or the same time. So and I am making a rough list of some fields where student can earn and learn, and student learn and earn both. So uh, when any student is pursuing his master degree or bachelor's degree, he can start earning from this field like blogging. It is very lucrative field right now, and is paying a high amount of money. You can say a very lucrative job is right now in the world. So student can start a blogging career or blogging job in part time. So this is one important field for students for learning and earning at the same time. Tutoring, students can start the tutoring job, online tutoring, home tutoring, or tutoring in coaching center, can do anything. So tutoring job can pay a student a good payment can be withdrawn from this job. So for this reason tutoring is a good selection. And research survey, some companies like Neobucks and PTC sites like Ysense, these are offering students for some survey jobs, and by completing this survey job student can earn some money, and at the same time they can learn. Okay, so these research survey jobs are means paying good amount of money. So for this reason during the learning student can do this jobs also. And digital marketing, digital marketing sector is growing at a high speed and high rate. So therefore digital marketing is a great platform for students to earn. And by earning in this field, means digital marketing field, they can learn also, and they can apply their learning to this digital marketing field also. Another important sector is website development sector. In this field students can get a good earning, student can get good earning from this field of website development. So student if the student is pursuing any technical degree, that time website development, or pursuing any IT degree, that time website development is a good option for him or her to generate the part-time income or the earning from learning. Another important thing, photo editing. This one is common, any students can start this type of jobs if he or she have interest in this field. Interest is very important and learning is very important. After learning some points about this photo editing field, he or she can start earning from the photo editing field. Another important field is designing. Designing field offers very lucrative opportunities, offers some lucrative opportunities, because in this field you also can earn a good amount of money from this field. And after that you can start or student can start the data entry job. For data entry job students does not need any higher knowledge, higher means learning. Student does not need any higher degree for data entry job. Just student need to how to type a text typing job. So data entry job is a good opportunity for student to earn at the same time of learning. Another important thing is content writing. Content writing is a very lucrative opportunity, job opportunity. So part time there is no duty hours like 5 to or 10 to 5, no such type of fixed duty hour. You can do this type of jobs at any time of the day, have a relaxation. You don't need to fix any time for doing this job. Content writing job is one of the lucrative job, and you can do this job when you are learning. At the same time you can do this content writing job. Different types of websites are offering these jobs, and you can collect this job from different online platform. Other important thing is sub brokership job for the stocks and commodities. For stocks and commodities, sub brokership or dealership, sub broker dealership is provided by some broking companies. So you can start this sub brokership or stock commodities sub brokership jobs from some you can say broker, like in India some brokers like Share Khan, Angel Broking. These are giving some sub-brokership opportunities to the people. So for this reason, in the case of sub-brokership for stocks and commodities, you can also start some earning when you are studying in some degrees or diplomas. At the same time you can earn. Next one important thing is network marketing. Network marketing is growing at a high rate. So for this reason the job opportunities in network marketing are very good job opportunities are provided in this field, network marketing. So student can do this network marketing field, or student can select for job opportunities in the network marketing field. This field can provide a good amount of earning. So you can or as a student can start network marketing field. Another important point is insurance agent. When students are learning at the same time, they can start this insurance agent as an insurance agent. They can start working. Call center jobs, these are call center jobs, different types of call center: domestic call center, international call center, inbound, outbound call center. They are not demanding any means any good degree or experience. So for this reason, at the same time, if the students have some knowledge in language and in some respective fields, technical field or some other fields, support field. So call center is a good opportunity for students to earn some money, because call center pay high for their employees. So as call center pays high amount of salary for their employees, so this time student can also do this job as a part-time job. So they do not need to harm their study, they can do it as a part-time job. Here I am talking all the job opportunities that are all part-time job, and students do not need to harm their study. The students are not need to means hamper their studying. They can do these types of jobs when they get some extra time or their spare time. They can do this type of job. And call centers jobs, we already discussed about these call center jobs. These call center jobs can easily be started, because here you do not need any experience or any types of degrees. Okay, just you have to know the language. Your language should be fluent, means English language or whatever, Hindi or Bengali, whatever language you need to know. According to the call center, these are depended according to the call center. And next is translating job. Translator job has a good opportunity for the students in part-time basis. Another is event planning. Event planning is also very good opportunity for students during the time of studying. During this time of studying or pursuing a degree, bachelor degree or master degree, students cannot manage a good amount of time. Student cannot manage, because that time they need to focus on their studying, because otherwise their degrees or diplomas may become a bad one, because of the poor marks, bad experience, and bad means a poor degree, or you can say poor marks they can get in the examination. So for this reason, students cannot give means a huge amount of time or a sufficient amount of time for doing the jobs. But they can do the jobs at the time of the learning. These are the part-time job. Their opportunities are only for part-times, because they cannot give the full time for the job at the same time of learning. So for this reason, I am trying to sort out some opportunities as a part-time opportunities, and I made this type of list of part-time job opportunities that student can start during the learning time. So this is the discussion about the learning and earning at the same time. It is possible for any students the learning and earning at the same time, because there are various opportunities in the different field. So it is possible today to learn and earn at the same time. So this is the discussions about this topic, and it is finished right now. And if you have any opinion regarding this video, then you can share your opinion with me. And if you do not subscribe this channel right now, you can subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching this video.